Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing, something I picked up today and have been on the waiting list for a few months. It came in this box and I think you know what it is. It's from the holiday Christmas line featuring Miss Vivienne, and this was what I chose. Vivienne having fun at a carnival in the monogram. And I'm so excited. I love the color. I love the color pop on it. And even my husband loves it. So I absolutely love the details in this. And just the happiness and the fun. So she's having more fun than I am right now, right? I really enjoy these yearly holiday options that they have. I don't get them every year. But this is the time that I usually pick up another one if it's a design that I really like and really resonates with me. So this resonated with me, and another piece of monogram in my collection. So yeah, that's the one that I got. I won't be getting anything else in this line. I just wanted one piece to keep that collection consistent, and I will also show you a few from the past that I really enjoyed. This line spoke to me so much because it evokes the travel and the trunks of Louis Vuitton, and I love travel so much. So that year I had to get this. And I absolutely love this piece. Still use this piece. I keep them in my bags when my bags are put up, so that I always have one in a bag and they kind of get some use. Another one that I really love is this one. I absolutely love Vivienne. Paris is one of my favorite places to visit and to hang out. I got this one in DE, and I just think it's beautiful. They really do a good job on the details and the artistry on these. So these are my three faves that I really enjoy using. If you ever get a chance to get one with some pop, get one with some color. Make sure that you get on your list with your CA early. Start asking about June, July when the list is going to open, so that you can get on it and make sure they have your payment information and everything. And you might have to make a split decision when something comes through, but have some choices that you want. So I kind of had a choice for the mini pochettes. I numbered them what I want. I got my second choice, but I was kind of vacillating between my first and second choice, so I was happy when this one came in. I said I'll take it, so I went and picked it up today. Speaking of Miss Vivienne, I love her so much. You can also get her stamped on your luggage tag. So I got her put on a luggage tag a couple years ago. I believe when I was in San Diego. It's one of the luggage tags on my Keepall that we use for travel. So there she is on there, in kind of my vintagey style tag that is thicker and heavy. I don't know if you guys remember when these things were thicker and heavy, but yeah, there's Vivienne right there. I think she is absolutely adorable. Kind of in love with her myself. So that was what I picked up today at LV. Got to hang out and do something actually kind of fun for my CAs there. I will cover that in another video, but it was nice to give something to them for all that they've given to me this year, and the great service they've been providing with the stress and all the changes that have happened. So I gave them something special today, and I know they enjoyed it. And I did get to check out some of the newer stuff, which was fun. I'll have some pictures on my Instagram. But I absolutely love it. I see you guys posting on IG what you've got. So this is really a fun design, and I think we needed something pretty fun this year. Something really pretty and fun that really encapsulates Louis Vuitton. So the trunks and Vivienne and having a good time. I'm down for it. I will see you in my next unboxing. Please make sure to subscribe and hit notifications on my channel so that you'll be the first to know when I post a video. Take care and have a good day. Bye.